Welcome back friends. And in normal days when we are charging our phone, just we are putting this cable inside the charging port and our phone started charging. So we do not realize what the charging problem is. But someday when we are putting the cable like this and nothing happens, means my phone is not able to get charged. In that case, we just looking for some solutions. So this is the right video for you. I am going to tell you 8 9 methods you should try before seeking professional help. So this will be valid for many of phone models like Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, LG. Please watch this video patiently till the end for knowing all the things. First, I will explain you what type of problem the people are facing in this issue. Means the slow charging problem. It may take long time to charge your phone, or the charge is holding. Means when you are putting this cable, this percentage is not going upside, it is going downside. Or when you are inserting this, nothing is happening, your phone is black screen is black. Your Android phone does not charge unless restarted or turned off. So, or you can feel that this charging percentage is not going up, it is 1%, stuck up at 13 or 80%. So fortunately in this video I am going to tell you some methods which you should do. Now before going forward to fix that problem, I will tell you some causes by which this charging problem can happen. Means this is due to unofficial or broken charging cable, or charger is not the genuine charger. You may be using the dummy chargers. Your Android USB cable or charger is not plugged properly, or this charging port is dirty or damaged, or your main adapter is damaged, or the computer port or the charger port where you are connecting the USB port may be damaged, or you may have installed some corrupted software recently, or your phone has been dropped, or maybe water damaged. So if you have this problem, then don't not wasting much of your time, let us go straight to the methods which you should try. The first one is use the official cable. If you have any this mobile cover is there, just uninstall it. I am going to uninstall my cover. So now cover has been uninstalled, and in this use this charging cable genuine, means authorized cable, which the mobile manufacturer has given inside the box. And the charger may be genuine, the original charger, because due to the faulty adapter cable or charger, this problems comes sometimes. So if your problem is solved, then it is okay. If it is not solved, then the second thing is this port. Just clean it with the help of some cleaning agent. You can use that toothpick, soft toothbrush, and clean it very gently so that nothing can be damaged by your cleaning. And after that, just insert this charging cable inside and see the phone is charging or not. If it is charging, that is very good. If it is not charging, then check this port for any physical damage. Is this port is physically damaged? If it is damaged, then go to the repair shop or authorized service center for repairing this or replacing this. Otherwise, if it is not damaged, just clean it and check it is working or not. If it is working, then okay. Otherwise, Next method is force restart. For Samsung, this is power on button and the minus key. Press both keys simultaneously for some seconds. I will show you. Suppose this. Now see what will happen. This will come, and after that, see, now it will restart. Keep it pressed. Now it has been restarted. Now leave that, and after restarting, if it is working, charging is going on, then it is okay. Otherwise, check for any water damage, means moisture has entered into your phone. Put your phone in a bowl of rice for some period, blow some dry air, not for very long time, but for short time you can blow some dry air, and then try to charge your phone with the help of genuine cable and genuine charger. If it's charging, that is very good, the problem has been solved. But if it is not solved, then the next point is update your software. How? I'm going to show you once the phone booting has been completed. I will come back. So phone is restarting. So phone has been started, and now I will show you what to do. 1 minute. Go to the setting and then go below here, software update. Just check your software is updated or not. If it is not updated, then download and install. It will tell it is updated or not. It is checking for updates, and if any my software is up to date, check for your, and if it is not up to date, please install it, and after that try to charge your phone. It should charge. If it is not charging yet, then boot your phone into the safe mode. How? Just keep the power off button pressed, then tap on power off, not tap on power off, go back, keep it pressed for some time, and then safe mode will come. Just tap it and restart your phone in safe mode. I am not restarting, I am going back. When it will boot in safe mode, the third party apps will be inhibited. So if you are getting charging problem due to any recently downloaded third party app, then in safe mode that problem will not come. So just to recognize that third app, just keep again switch off on your phone to come into the normal mode, and in normal mode just uninstall those recently installed third party apps. So after that, if your phone is working, then it is okay. Otherwise, check your phone screen. If your phone screen is not touch is not by, means what will happen, your screen has become bad and it is black now, so you are not able to identify that your phone is charging or not. So in that case, go to repair center and seek professional help. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.